Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing your PC. Enable Android app support or install an emulator, because Gboard is an Android keyboard. Once done, open the Play Store inside the emulator and install Gboard or sideload the APK if needed. Make sure to grant input and accessibility permissions so the system can switch to Gboard. You're doing this now to avoid delays later, and it makes the keyboard responsive across apps. After installation, move straight to configuring Gboard as the default input method. Now configure Gboard for desktop-style typing so it feels natural with your hardware keyboard. Open Languages and Input and choose Gboard as the virtual keyboard, then enable glide typing and voice typing if you want those shortcuts. Make sure clipboard sync, text correction, and theme settings match your preferences. Also map the physical keys and set a layout, QWERTY, compact, or split, so symbols and modifiers behave as expected. This step ensures typing is smooth and predictive text works across PC apps. Finish by testing Gboard across multiple apps, because real use reveals layout or permission issues. If corrections or shortcuts act oddly, return to settings and toggle features one at a time, then restart the emulator or input service to apply changes. Make sure clipboard access and audio permissions are allowed for voice typing. Troubleshooting tip: if Gboard crashes or won't appear, clear its cache, reinstall the app, and review emulator logs for permission errors. That single fix resolves most input failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.